Hello my people, in this video we will see how to fix unable to authorize TikTok and Facebook. And the first and the most important part is go to search this in Google, right? And the next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, say 6K troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Update and restart. Update boot TikTok and Facebook to their latest versions. Then restart your phone to clear your temporary boots. Step 2. Clear cache and data. Go to your device settings to clear the cache for TikTok. This often resolves authentication issues. Step 3. Reinstall the app. Uninstalling and reinstalling TikTok can fix persisting authorization bugs. Step 4. Verify network. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to rule out connection issues. Step 5. Check Facebook settings. Log into Facebook, go to Settings and Privacy, Settings, and Apps and Websites, and ensure TikTok has permission to access your account. Step 6. Use alternative login. If Facebook authorization failed, try logging in with your TikTok username, password, or phone number, then link Facebook in the settings afterward. If you are trying to link the accounts, ensure you are using the correct credentials on both platforms. Well, that's all my people. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time.